Maintaining in-house EDI operations can be costly, time-consuming, and challenging. One of these challenges involves integrating EDI with an existing business system and mapping your trading partner's data to your system's specific data format. This often requires managing complex translation software and manual data entry, resulting in errors and additional labor costs. Replacing your in-house translator with EDI Systems' cloud-based data mapping solution can help reduce manual data entry, errors, and costs. Our EDI experts handle the EDI data mapping, translation, and technical management for you, reducing the implementation time for new or changed documents. Cloud-based data mapping creates an efficient and reliable process, even if your integration requirements, systems, or transactions change. Your system data is mapped to your EDI specification and delivered to your suppliers. Then EDI data from your suppliers is mapped to your system specification and securely delivered to you through direct integration. Cloud-based data mapping translates EDI data to specific business, accounting, ERP, or MRP data formats automatically as it is sent and received through our business-to-business trading network. With cloud-based data mapping, buying organizations can experience more efficient business processes so resources can be repurposed and used for other initiatives. When you need to add a trading partner or experience a change in EDI or system requirements, our experienced team of experts ensures all necessary modifications are handled thoroughly. Cloud-based data mapping provides an optimal solution for lowering the cost and time associated with managing in-house EDI translators and integration with existing systems. To learn more about cloud-based data mapping and how it helps remove the complexities of data mapping, translation, and integration, contact the EDI experts at EDI Systems.